G'day, just a quick video on diffs. Quite often you'll find that this pin that holds the spider gears in place will be worn. Now, because it's always sort of winding in one direction, it'll wear on one side more than the other. Now, there wasn't a real issue with this one, but I've tapped the roll pin out. And you'll notice I've also put a little angle mark there just to show me which way it was facing. Now I'm going to knock that pin out and actually turn it 180 degrees. So I'll knock it right out. I don't normally knock them right out. We're just doing a rebuild on the transmission on this one, but I thought I'd have a quick look at the pin. I'll just give that a bit of a wash first. I'm not sure if you can see that. You can see it's just worn on this side. There's the hole. It's just worn that side and this side. If I turn it 180 degrees, there's bugger all wear on it. Bit hard to see on that camera. It's very shiny. But that's basically what I'm doing. Instead of replacing the whole pin, I'm just going to turn it 180 degrees, because the way the diff works, it's always got pressure on one side, not on the other side. The other side hardly ever wears out. You see that? See the wear marks? So because I've nicked it with the angle grinder, I can see which way. I'm just going to turn it 180 degrees. Sometimes you can actually turn the pin right around like this and 180 degrees, which is the best thing to do. Because this one's only got one roll pin on one side, we can just turn it one way. Anyway, I'll do that, and I'll change these gears. I'll just swap them over, put the top ones on the bottom ones on the top, or left side, right side. Bearings all seem okay on this thing. Good idea to replace them if they're buggered, but I don't think this transmission's done a lot of work. There you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Throw me a beer if any of this information helps, or in any of my videos if it helps. Thank you for watching.